In the deep jungle, there lived a monkey named Momo who loved mangoes more than anything. One day, Momo found a magical mango tree filled with shiny golden mangoes. The animals took only one mango each, but Momo wanted all of them. He grabbed mangoes with both hands, his tail, even his mouth. Suddenly, the magical tree lost its glow, and every mango vanished. Momo realized greed can make you lose everything. From that day, Momo learned to share with everyone. Sharing brings happiness, greed brings loss. For more fun moral stories, subscribe to Toonzy World.